Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can connect AI clients with WordPress site. So if you are new to this video, I would recommend to start watching this playlist from the beginning so that you know what we are doing in this video. Otherwise, continue watching this video. So first of all, I have Cloud client on my laptop installed. Now let me ask a question. Can you access my local WordPress site? And let's see how it responds. So it says, unfortunately, I can't access your local WordPress site directly. So basically, we have to make connection between AI and WordPress site. So let's jump into the process of connecting your WordPress site with AI client. So what you will need? First thing you will need is of course WordPress site and then WP CLI. So in this video we are going to connect a local site. So we will need WP CLI. Then any client in this video I'm gonna show you with any client in this video I'm gonna demonstrate with Cloud client, and there is a plugin called WordPress MCP adapter. So these four things we will need. So WordPress site is ready. This is my local WordPress site. Then WP CLI is also installed. Let me confirm. So yeah, I have WP CLI. Then the third thing is Cloud, which is here. And last, WordPress MCP adapter plugin. So we will need this plugin. So I'm gonna search this MCP adapter plugin. Let's see. Yeah, it is not released yet. We have to download it from the GitHub. So go to releases and download a zip. In future, I think they will be including inside the WordPress. But yeah, as of now, I already downloaded it. So let's install on my local WordPress site MCP adapter. So let's activate this. Now MCP adapter is activated. So this is kind of this will be act as MCP server. Now we need to make some configuration. So I'm gonna go to this article connecting AI applications. So we can connect AI application using two methods. One is stdio and another one is HTTP. So stdio is used when you want to connect the local sites, and if you have public WordPress sites, then you have to use the HTTP method. In this video, we are going to use stdio method as we are going to connect it with local site. In next video or upcoming video, we will try to connect my live site. But yeah, in this video, just focus on the local sites. So what we need to do is that we need to enable the MCP. So for that, we have this set of lines we have to add to a MCP configuration file. Now, as we are using Cloud, here you can see the instruction of how we can add that configuration for Cloud. There are many other examples as well. For example, this cursor, then VS Code. So yeah, whatever you are using, just go to that specific instruction and just add whatever needed. So I'm gonna use Cloud Desktop. So how do we add that configuration? So we have to go to cloud setting and developer, and under local MCP server click edit config. So let's go to cloud setting developer, and yeah, I haven't added any MCP servers, so edit config. So it will open a folder where the config file is there. So I'm gonna open this config file, which is basically a JSON file. And then MCP server are added to this files in MCP servers object. So we already have that object, which is blank. And here is what configuration look like for connecting via STDIO transport. So now I'm gonna copy this section. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Now let's look it one by one. So this is the MCP server name. This is the command WP, which it instructs that use command, WP command. We have the explanation of each arguments. So yeah, the command is WP path. So we have to provide path of our WordPress site. Yeah, I'm gonna open the folder, copy path, and I will pass the path of my WordPress site. This is the MCP adapter served. So this both counts as a one command. So this is to start MCP adapter server. Server is specifying MCP server to use. So as of now, we are using MCP adapter default server. As of now, you don't need to worry about how this came and why we added this. This we will understand what this is and how we can add custom servers to our plugin. So as of now, this is WordPress default server. So keep that in mind, that this is the default server that we have to use. And last is the user. So as which user you want to perform all the actions. So I want to perform all my actions using admin user. So I'm gonna go to administrator and copy the username and paste it over here. So yeah, it was already admin. So admin is my username. Yeah, that's the local, that's why. But yeah, that's it. After this, you just have to close the cloud and then restart it. So I'm gonna close everything here. So once cloud is closed, let's open this. And now let's ask question. Can you access my local WordPress site? So it says, unfortunately, it looks like no WordPress abilities are currently configured. So basically, abilities are there in WordPress core, but the client access only those abilities which is public. So we have to make some abilities public so that client can access this. So for that, I have created a plugin. Let me show you. You don't need to worry about what we did in this plugin. I'm just gonna show you that I made some abilities public so that this AI can access the abilities. So if you don't know abilities, I have already explained in my previous video, and this will display again and many times, like it will disconnect the server once it replies. So once you ask question again, it will automatically connect the server. If that doesn't happen, you just have to restart cloud again. But yeah, you often you don't need to do that. But yeah, so this is the plugin, uh, enable core abilities. So what I did, I grabbed the list of core abilities and I made it public. So this is how we make it public. We will learn about this later on, but yeah, I'm just making the ability which is already there public so that AI can access it. And we will be making our own custom abilities as well. As of now, focus on how we can connect our WordPress site with AI. So these three abilities, I made it public, and the code is already there in here. I'm gonna share the link in the description section. But yeah, all we are doing is that we are making three abilities public. So I have already added the plugin. I just need to install it. Activate it. So the plugin name is enable core abilities. Okay. Now let's try to retry this with no changes. So now it is going to check which abilities are available, because AI is able to make connection with our WordPress site, but to do actual work or action, it needs to check which abilities are available. So I'm gonna restart the cloud. I think I enabled that plugin, that's why we just have to restart it. But yeah, let's ask it. Can you access my local WordPress? So it says, yes, I can access your local WordPress site. The connection is working and I have several abilities available. So let me grab basic info about. So it started giving us the basic information, which is correct. My site name is BuntyWP, tagline, more than meets the eyes. And this is the site. Let's ask which abilities you have. So it is displaying that it has three abilities, which is we made public. So site info, user info, and environment info. So give me an environment info. So sorry about my spelling. That's, you can ignore it. AI will also understand it. So you can check what it is calling as well. So it is calling this ability core get environment info. So sometimes it gets stuck because the server gets disconnected. So yeah, it says it failed, but if you restart it, it will give me my site info. Can you provide environment info? So yeah, it is giving us environment info. Now let's ask a question not which is ability is not provided. So give me how many posts are there. So it will check the ability if the ability of counting posts are there or not. So it is saying unfortunately the available WordPress ability is currently limited to get. So it will at least give us some steps to check the how many posts are there from the backend. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can connect AI client with your WordPress site. So I hope this makes sense now. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.